Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about popliteal fossa. Okay, it is the very important topic in lower limb. Okay, first we are going to see about its location. It is located just behind the knee joint. Okay, posterior to knee joint we can see popliteal fossa. Okay. This popliteal fossa is diamond-shaped depression. This is the diamond-shaped depression just behind the knee joint. Okay. And next we are going to see about popliteal fossa's roof and then floor, borders and then contents. Okay. When we dissect the popliteal fossa, first layer you can see skin, and below to this skin we can see skin, and below to that we can see superficial fascia. Okay. And below to the superficial fascia we can see deep fascia. Okay. Superficial fascia is nothing but the adipose layer, that is a fatty layer, and deep fascia is a fibrous layer. Okay. And in superficial fascia we can see some nerves and vein. Okay. That are small saphenous vein. Okay. And next is the posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh. Posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh. And next is the medial cutaneous nerve of thigh. And then a branch of common peroneal nerve. Branch of common peroneal nerve. Okay. And below to the deep fascia we can see contents of the popliteal fossa. Okay. Before entering to the contents of the popliteal fossa, you want to know about its borders and the floor. Okay. First we are going to see about floor. Okay. The floor of the popliteal fossa is formed by the femur, popliteal surface of femur bone. This is the popliteal surface of femur bone, and this is the linea aspera. Okay. This is medial side and this is lateral side. Medial lip of linea aspera and this is lateral lip of linea aspera. And this is the popliteal surface of femur. Okay, and these are the two condyles. And this is the tibial bone. And here we have fibula in the lateral side. Okay. So floor is formed by this popliteal surface and then capsule of knee joint. Here we have capsule. So floor is formed by popliteal surface of femur bone and then capsule of knee joint. And also the ligament, oblique popliteal ligament. And then we have popliteal muscle here. This muscle is covered by the fascia called popliteal fascia. So this popliteal fascia also contributes to the floor of the popliteal fossa. Okay. First, popliteal surface of femur bone, and next is the oblique popliteal ligament, and then third, capsule of knee joint, and then popliteal fascia, the fascia that is covering the popliteus muscle. Okay, popliteal fascia. Okay, these are the floor, and next we are going to see about borders. Okay, superior medial border, superior lateral border, and then inferior medial border, and then inferior lateral border. Okay, you consider this as medial side and this is lateral side. Okay, this is the semimembranosus muscle. About the semimembranosus muscle, we have semitendinosus. Okay, in lateral side we have bicep femoris. Okay, and this is the medial head of gastrocnemius muscle, and this is the lateral head of gastrocnemius muscle, and the another is the plantaris muscle. Okay, these are the borders. This muscle contributes to the border of the popliteal fossa. Okay, I differentiate this muscle in different colors. Okay, this is the suprolateral border. Okay, suprolateral border. Supralateral border, bicep femoris, and then infralateral border is formed by lateral head of gastrocnemius muscle. Okay, and the inframedial border is formed by medial head of gastrocnemius muscle, and then this infralateral border is also formed by the plantaris. This is the plantaris muscle. Okay, and this supromedial border is formed by the semimembranosus muscle and the semitendinosus muscle. This rose is the semi-membranosus, and this green color is the semi-tendinosus. Okay. First, we learned about location. Location just behind the knee joint, and it is the diamond-shaped depression. And roof. Roof is formed by the skin, superficial fascia, and then deep fascia. In superficial fascia, we have some vein and nerves. Vein is the small saphenous vein, which take its origin from the dorsal venous arch of the foot, lateral side of dorsal venous arch of the foot, and drains into the popliteal vein. This popliteal vein leaves popliteal fossa through the adductor hiatus and enters the adductor canal. Okay, and nerve, posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh, and then medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, and common branch of common peroneal nerve. Okay, these are the nerves and veins that is present in the superficial fascia. And below to this superficial fascia, we have contents. Before going to the contents, we want to know about floor and borders. Okay, floor is formed by the popliteal surface of femur. This is the popliteal surface of femur, and then ligament, oblique popliteal ligament, and here we have capsule of knee joint. Okay, and popliteal fascia, that is the fascia covering the popliteus muscle. Okay, these are the floor. Okay, and borders are supro-medial border, supro-lateral border, inferior medial border, inferior lateral border. Okay, superior medial border is formed by semi-tendinosus and then semi-membranosus, and supralateral border is formed by bicep femoris, and inferior lateral border is formed by plantaris muscle and then lateral head of gastrocnemius muscle, and this inferior medial border is formed by the medial head of gastrocnemius muscle. Okay, that's all about the borders. And next we are going to see about the contents. In contents we have nerve, artery and vein. Okay,